Oh, the light on the dashboard is blinking red, telling the engine not to forget. Just like that word you said a year ago, it flickers in my head. I find myself again repeating it underneath my breath, yeah, yeah. Oh, sometimes I see you through the rain. No downpour can wash away this filthy stain that is spreading like a virus every time I come to think about your name. Stuck in a prison, never knew it was there. While you're still on the loose, you've got a hold on me, but I've got to let go. Trying to forget what I already know. Stranded in a desert after all of these years, and it's dried up all of my tears. Yeah. Oh, the hard road to freedom is up ahead. Cannot be worse than where I've been yet. After building all these walls, the fabric on my soul is wearing thin. Stuck in a prison, never knew it was there. While you're still on the loose, you've got a hold on me, but I've got to let go. Trying to forget what I already know. Stranded in a desert after all of these years, and it's dried up all of my tears. You've got a hold on me, but I've got to let go. Trying to forget what I already know. My friends keep saying they know what I need, but then the words of wisdom came to me. The words of wisdom. Oh, bury the hatchet. Easy words to say. Stop waiting for the magic and do it anyway. Oh, bury the hatchet. The signs of real love. He said 70 times 7 if you want to know the healing from above. Oh, he said 70 times 7 if you want to know the freedom from above, yeah. Oh, he said 70 times 7 if you want to know the healing from above. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bury the hatchet, bury the hatchet. Oh, bury the hatchet, bury the hatchet, yeah. Bury the hatchet, bury the hatchet, yeah. Bury the hatchet, oh, bury the hatchet, yeah, yeah. He said 70 times 7 if you want to know